Hello guys, I am Karthik here and you are watching Love Physics with Karthik. In this video, we are going to discuss about average speed and average velocity. Well, if you guys are new viewers, go and watch my first video and come back to here. Because in last video, we have covered few topics related to motion in a straight line. So, in this video is continuation of first video. Okay. So, before entering into the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and if you didn't, do it now. In last class, we have discussed the speed and velocity and now we can discuss about the average speed and average velocity. Imagine yourself a car traveling from Chennai to Mumbai and returning back from Mumbai to Pune. Then what will be the average speed and what will be the average velocity? To find the answer for this question, we need to understand the concept of average speed and average velocity. So look here, I have written the both definitions of average speed and average velocity. So first of all, we can discuss the average speed and then we can move on to the average velocity. Then what is meant by the average speed? Total path length traveled divided by the total time interval. Okay, the total path length which you have traveled with respect to the total time interval. It means average speed. And what is the formula for average speed? Average speed is equal to total path length by total time interval. So average speed is equal to total path length by total time interval. Now going back to the same problem, to find the average speed, so they have given the values and they have asked to find the average speed and average velocity. In option A, they have given to find the average speed between Chennai to Mumbai. Okay, they have given the, see here, I will draw the graph, Chennai and Mumbai. Okay, so in between Pune is located here. So they have given the distance between Chennai to Mumbai. So the distance will be 500 kilometer. Okay, and time is equal to 5 hours. Okay, so to find the average speed, we can apply this formula. Okay, so average speed is equal to total path length by total time interval. Okay, the distance is here and also time is here. Then 500 by 5. Then 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we have find the option A question. So then and next we need to find they have asked Chennai to Mumbai and from Mumbai to Pune. Okay, so average speed is equal to, so they have given the distance also 250 kilometer. No, I don't have space, so I written here. So we need to add Chennai to Mumbai plus Mumbai to Pune. And the time for the Mumbai to Pune is 3 hours. Okay, then 5 plus 3. Okay, so Chennai to Mumbai to Pune, 500 plus 250 by 8, then 750 by 8 is equal to 93 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we have find the option B question. Okay, so I think you have understood the average speed, and now we can move on to the average velocity. Now we can discuss about the average velocity. The change in position or a displacement divided by the time interval is called average velocity. So the change in position with respect to the time interval is called average velocity. Okay. Then what is the formula for the average velocity? B vector is equal to final displacement minus initial displacement by final time minus initial time is called average velocity. In short form, we can write delta x minus delta t. Here the delta represents the change in displacement by change in time. Okay. Here the delta denotes the Greek letter which means change in its quantity. Okay. So I have drawn the graph here. The first graph denotes the increasing. The velocity is increasing. Okay. The second graph denotes the velocity is decreasing. And third graph denotes the velocity at rest. Okay. So okay guys, we can solve the same problem for the average velocity. So what they have given, we need to find the average velocity between Chennai to Mumbai. Okay. So applying this formula to find the average velocity for Chennai 0. So final displacement minus initial displacement. So first of all, the final displacement will be Mumbai and initial displacement will be Chennai. Okay. So average velocity is equal to final minus initial. So 500 minus 0 by, so what is the time? So Mumbai 5 hours. Okay. Then 500 by 5 will be 100 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then we can find the option B question. So we need to find the average velocity between Chennai to Mumbai and to Pune. Okay. So average velocity is equal to 500 minus 250 and then 250. So average velocity is equal to 250 by 250 by 5 hours plus 3 hours, totally 8. So answer will be 31 kilometer per hour. Okay. So we have found the option A and option B. Okay. So I think you have understood the average velocity and also average speed. Okay guys, now we can solve the problems related to average speed and average velocity. The first problem we are going to solve from NCRT example problem. Okay, so we can read the problem what they have given. A car is moving along a straight line, says OP. It moves from O to P in 18 seconds and return from P to Q in 6 seconds. What are the average velocity and average speed of the car in going? Option A from O to P and option B from O to P and back to Q. So what they have given? They have asked to find the average speed and average velocity. They have given the diagram for this question. So O to P and P to Q. So this will be O and this will be P and Q. This problem is similar like the same problem what we have seen like Chennai to Mumbai and Mumbai to Pune. Okay. So what they have given the time and also distance. So this is 0 kilometer and 360 kilometer and I think 240, I think so. I don't know the exact value. Yes, 240. 240 meter. Sorry, not kilometer. It is in meter. Sorry, extremely sorry to. Okay. In option A, they have asked to find go to P. Okay. In option A, so first of all we can find the average speed. Average speed is equal to total path length by total time interval. Okay. So OP by 360 meter by in how many seconds? Yeah, 18 seconds. Okay, 360 by 18 seconds. And then what will be the answer? 20 meter by second. So average speed will be 20 meter by second. Then what about the average velocity? Average velocity will be T2, sorry, final displacement minus initial displacement by final time minus initial time. Okay, then P will be final and O will be initial. So 316 minus 0 by, so time will be same the 18 seconds. So the answer will be 20 meter by second. Okay, average speed. Yeah. Now we can move on to the B, option B. So same average speed. So first of all we can find the average speed O to P, P to Q. So O OP plus PQ. Okay, and then the time will be 18 seconds plus 6 seconds, 24 seconds. Okay, 360 plus 240. So I need to check my camera. Yeah, okay. So 0 and 0 and 6. Yeah, 6 by 24. Answer will be 20 meter second. Okay, 20 meters second. Okay, so average speed is equal to 20 meter per second, and then we want to find the average velocity for option B. Average velocity. So now what we want to do, 360, we need to find the both Q, and so that 360 minus 240, what will be the answer? 360 minus 240 will be 120. Okay, and then what will be the answer for average velocity? 120 by the same second, 24 second. So 10 meter per second. Okay, answer will be average velocity for answer is equal to 10 meter per second. So okay guys, we have completed this problem, and we can see the next problem related to average speed and average velocity. Okay guys, now we can solve the next problem related to average speed and average velocity. First of all, we can read the problem. A car travels for a certain time. Its speed during the first of time is v1, and that during the second of time is v2. So find the average speed. So the time will be constant here. So we need to find the average speed. So first of all, we can draw the graph here. In first half of the traveling of the car is v1. So time will be constant, and v2 in second of time. So first of all, we need to find the what is the distance of the both velocity, both speed. Okay. So to find the distance, we can apply the speed formula. The speed will be the distance by time. Then v1 is equal to d by t. Okay. So v1 dt for the d2, some of them will write d1 instead of x1. This is also the distance. Okay, v2. Okay, so now we can apply the average speed formula. Average speed will be total path length by total time interval. So d1 plus d2 by t 2t, because the time will be same. Okay, and then for d1 we can substitute v1 t plus v2 t and 2t, and then t will be common here. Yeah, v1 plus v2 2t, the t will be cancelled out here. So average speed will be v1 plus v2 by 2. So this will be the answer for this question. Okay guys, I think you have understood the average speed and average velocity. We have solved some numericals related to this topic. In next video we can solve the problems related to instantaneous velocity and instantaneous time, instantaneous speed. Okay, and this is a very simple topic and easy topic, you can understand very easily. Okay, so if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe now and keep watching Love Physics with Karthik.